Hey guys, today's April 13th. It was like 70 degrees on Monday and this is Saturday and it's snowy and crappy and cold now. So got about a week and a half till we leave for the trip. VX has been running good. I'm just going to pull it in the garage today and start packing some stuff up. I think I've got to pull the back seat out so we can fit all our gear. But that's what we're doing today. But first, I need to change oil, or rear diff fluid in my 07 FJ. It's my daily driver. I put a new rear end in it about 1,000 miles ago, and I need to change out that fluid. So we'll get it in the garage. So here's my 2007 FJ with 3 windshield wipers. People seem to be amazed by that for some reason. Show you what it looks like from the outside. Hey guys, so I got this thing in the garage. This is why I normally do most of my work at my parents' place, because my garage is tiny. It's just hard to do anything in here. But we'll see how this goes. So the reason I'm changing this is because this is a new rear end. I bought this thing last fall, and the rear diff was going out of it. Bearings were shot. The gears were really noisy. This is a 2007, it's got about 146,000 miles on it. And these were kind of known to have a weak rear end. Sometimes when you're off-roading, they'll actually strip the ring gear on them. So I pulled the third number and I sent it to East Coast Gear, and I just had them go through it and update the gears at the same time. So I had to put a full set of nitro gears in it, replace all the bearings, and then just bolt it back in. It's really quick and easy. And one of the things is you're supposed to change the gear oil after 500 mile break-in period, and I've got about 1,000 on it. I just haven't had time to change it yet, so I figured I better get it done. So you always want to take out the fill plug first, just to make sure you can actually get it loose, and also it'll help with draining. Alright, so I'm really curious to see how dark this is. I'm hoping there's not a ton of metal in it. Part of the benefit of upgrading to nitro gears and going with East Coast Gear Supply is they warranty the rear end up to, I think, 35-inch tires. And this has a factory electronic locker in it too. Why is that so tight? There we go. Let's see if I can get you guys a little closer to see what the soil looks like. So it's normal to have some metal shavings during breaking in new gears, so we'll just kind of see how bad it is. It's a little dark, but it's not too bad. And there's some material on the magnet, but it's, well, there are some good sized chunks on there though. It's kind of worrisome. See if you can see this. Just to show you what I'm looking at here. I put a dime next to the biggest piece just for reference. Focus. Otherwise it looked pretty good other than that one piece. So these things make it a lot easier to fill up differentials and transmissions, transfer cases, you name it. Basically just fill up whatever fluid you want in there, pump it up. There's a pressure gauge on it so you know how much pressure you have in the tank. Wipe off the nozzle so you don't get any extra debris in there. Turn on the valve and let it fill. And as soon as it starts pouring out of the top, it's full. And there it is, full. So I'll probably run this for 10,000 miles and change it again, just to make sure everything's broken in and Alright guys, I had to pull the back seat out of this thing. I'll show you why. So this is just some of the camping gear. And it's already packed. There's still no clothes in here, no water, no sleeping bags. This is just the basic couple tents, some camp chairs, cooler, stove, spare tire. This thing's just too tiny. I do have a pop-up shelter for showering and a portable toilet back there too, because they're required at some of the campsites we're going to be at. So it looks like I'll tear everything back out and remove that back seat. Lots of extra room now with the back seat out.